Hello again, everyone. This is Joe Hentges with Beyond the Chart. In this options trading tutorial, we're going to take a look at a trade idea that I had for my insider members on Activision back in August 2016. Took 3 weeks and 2 entries and a little patience, but generated 74% return, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's start off here and take a look at this. Let me get rid of this, the crosshairs here, and of course now I got to bring this back. This is exactly how I put it on my trade ideas page for my insider members. This was on Activision. This was the evening of August 2nd. I saw this set up, consecutive close greater than 10 EMA buy. So where is that? So here, right here is August 10th. Okay, so here's the evening of August 10th. We got a couple closes above that 10-day moving average. This is the trend line. Here's the 55-day moving average, the 21-day simple, and the 10 exponential moving average. So I was looking to enter. Where's the entry point? Buy at 41.67, so slightly above this 2-day high. We're going to use an option that was slightly in the money. Now, notice how, again, not a whole lot, it's not really complicated to decide to use options and trade options here, okay? This is a directional play. I'm not trying to gain income. I'm not trying to sell the option. I'm basically buying the option, looking for appreciation on the option trade. So I have 2 decisions to make. What strike price and what expiration time frame, right? So I go with the 41. That's slightly in the money from where I'm entering, okay? And it's August 10th. So it's only a couple of weeks, if maybe even less, from the monthly August expiration. So I move out and go with the September. So it's just not that complicated. 2 decision points, okay? Now, I set my stop. My stop is going to be 2 consecutive closes below the 10 EMA. My initial target is set at 43.55. So now on the next day, let me move over and show you what's happening on the next day. On the next day, we get an entry. So now we're in. And let me go back. This is going to pop in and off the screen. I apologize for that. Buy to open 2 of these at 166 ask. Okay, so on the trade ideas, I always reflect buying at the ask and selling at the bid, just conservative. So the results is a conservative number. Okay, so now we're in. And so now watch. So we get in this, and the next thing, boom, we pull back. And are we stopped out? No, because I'm using 2 consecutive closes below the 10, similar to my entry, that says I got to break that 2-day low for me to exit. Well, guess what? It doesn't happen, doesn't happen, doesn't happen. Next thing you know, we're back above the 10 again, and we're still in the trade. Now, it's been several days. We had to sit through. We had our entry day and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. Now I'm getting another entry signal. Okay, and let me step back to the sheet here. So now on August 25th, and this is August 24th, I see this in the morning. In the morning the trading had started, and I said, look, this is similar to the setup that we saw on MetLife. A new buy signal is triggered this morning. Let's go ahead and re-enter. Now we are getting it, the option price had dropped almost in half. We're still in, but are entering 2 more at 80. This is about the only time I really agree or think it makes sense to it's just really not averaging down, because, it appears that I'm averaging down, but in effect, I'm getting another buy signal and I'm going with it, okay? So now we get the buy signal. Now we're in here on the 25th, and now I set a new revised target based on the latest buy signal. Now 43.04, still the same stop, okay? So now we're trending up a little bit, and all of a sudden, 43.04 gets hit. The high 43.10 gets hit on September 2nd. Okay, and here we go. September 2nd, sell to close, 4 of them, both positions at 214 bid, up $91 a contract, 74% return on the trade. Okay, so that turned out to be really nice. Took some patience, and it took 2 entries to get into that. And so what ended up happening here, it trended up a little bit higher, then it pulled back. You're never going to catch, you're never going to catch everything. And it all depends on how long you want to sit in a trade, what kind of risk you're willing to assume. Right now, you can't complain about 74%, even though it took 3 calendar weeks to get completed. So if you found that video helpful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And can you think of one person who would benefit from this video? Share the video with them. Also, get my free ebook to help you stay in the game trading options. Click the image on the screen to be able to download it. So until next time, stay focused, follow your plan, and trade without fear. Have a great day.